This is a demo of our dispenser compartment unit working. So here we have two compartments, one black, one white. The black one is dispensing Aleve pills, and the white one is dispensing Tylenol. Yes, focus. All right. And we have RFID tags corresponding with patient 1 and patient 2. Patient 1 needs 2 pills of Tylenol, and patient 2 needs 1 pill of Aleve. So the setup here is we have a computer that acts as a controller for these two compartments, and we have the RFID tag reader attached to it. So for a patient to get his or her medication, they come up, grab their RFID tags, scan it on the scanner, computer reads it, and we navigate and we wait for the pills to dispense. That's 1, and that's 2. And at the end, it recognizes that it's done dispensing. So now we want to try to, just as proof that our system can distinguish between users, we try it with a second RFID tag, the green one, which should dispense 1 pill of Aleve. So going back to the RFID reader, valid medication. When place a cup, or pretend to place a cup under a dispenser, it's going to try to dispense. Yep. And here we go, 1 pill of Aleve. Here we have the two halves of the dispenser separated. The top half contains the chute and the continuous rotation servo, as you can see here. And the bottom half contains the pill guide and the plate, which is attached to the pill guide. And the plate spins, which forces the pills out. So I'll demonstrate the function here. So we have a couple of Tylenol pills in here, and the motor will be attached to this thing here. It will turn, and the pills will be forced into a line by the shape of the guide, and it will just be dispensed one by one until the appropriate number of pills have been dispensed. So let's look at the bottom to see how this mechanism works. We have a small circuit board here, which serves mainly to just provide interface for the main system. We have wires coming out for power and for signal. The pill detection comes from a pair of devices, the laser diode here and the phototransistor. When a pill goes through, it will break the beam, and that will send a signal to the Arduino to say that there's 1 pill that falls through. If 2 fall through, usually it will be able to detect that as well. And that's it for this component. This is a demonstration of the scale unit for our dispenser system. It's composed of a couple parts. The first part is the pill trough, which will catch all the pills as they fall down from the upper compartments. The middle part is a load cell. This converts the amount of flexing it feels from the weight of the pills, and converts it into a very small voltage. From our observation, a Tylenol pill will create a difference in voltage of about 5 to 10 microvolts per pill. Further along the line, we have the 3D printed adapters that will convert the rectangular shape of the load cell to a servo head. Here's the standard servo, and in the back is the logic for the whole system. This op amp that we're using is a standard MCP 6002, and we are using a differential amplifier to amplify it about 4,700 times. This is all being controlled by an Arduino, which is then connected to this computer here. First of all, sorry for the flickering. What we're going to do here is we're going to simulate communications between the dispenser controller and the scale. The controller is going to send a command for the scale to start running, And next, it's going to send the weight of each pill. We're going to use the 500 milligram Tylenol pills, so we're going to type 500 here. Going back to the scale, we're expecting 2 pills, so let's run a test. With 1 pill, it will reject it. Now we're going to type in the scale command at 500 again, and we're going to put in 2 pills. Okay. We're going to try that again with 3 pills. And it rejects it. Let's say, for example, we're dispensing Aleve, we can type in the weight of Aleve and it'll detect, it should also be expecting 2 pills, but this time we're putting a different weight, so it should be distinguished correctly. So we're going to start with 1 pill. And it rejects it. Now we're going to go to 2 pills. And it's good. And the third, we're just going to mix up pills to simulate, I don't know, when a pill from an incorrect compartment falls out. So we're going to be expecting 2 Tylenol pills, but we're going to mix in 1 Aleve pill. Let's run the test now. And it should reject this. And there you go.